Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grichova. I'm an investment advisor and I work with extremely rich people. Today I would like to tell you about the strong parts of managing your social media and having a personal brand. I would like first to tell my story, some aspects of my story that really helped me. So when I started making content using social media, I didn't really think that it will give me any profit. I showed some assets like the most luxury real estate in Russia, diamonds, and pictures like art of extremely expensive extremely expensive artists. And so, because of the fact that I showed on public my opportunities, some people decided to communicate with me. So it was not once when a person saw my services, my opportunities, and told me that, oh, I have like villa in Switzerland, please help me to sell it. Or, oh, I have a diamond, 5.41, as I remember, carat, that I want to sell, and something like that. And people of business world, they can think that social media don't play any role at all, and that you don't need to have strong personal brand on the internet to attract attention of people who can be really suitable for you. And so if we talk about me, I attracted to my life peers who do the same as I, with whom I communicate, and who has extremely powerful links. So their parents can own like business related to building something, and also like their relatives can be on good positions of our government. And this is extremely great way to find also like people who can be really interesting to you too, because when they see your photos, your appearance, your opportunities, they understand that you are a real person and with you they want to communicate. And there were a lot of situations when people from like extremely great families and those who have a lot of opportunities came to me and decided to work with me. Also, you can find like friends, but for this I can recommend you to build your like private business club or private club itself. Go to golf, yoga, and in social media you can see the amount of money that people have in many situations if we talk about girls. So if we talk about me, my social media helped me to surround myself with extremely rich girls too. So I wrote them that, oh, I have my private club, go with us, it will be funny, and something like that. And to tell the truth, it is not a great idea in adult world to tell people that, oh, I would like to be like friends with you. It is so strange. But if we talk about private club, it can be normal when you write a person message and tell him that, oh, I would like, I invite you to this event, and something like that. And it helps you to have more people around, to have better links, and to surround yourself with people who suit you. Because if we talk about my experience, if you have a lot of information in your social media and you write a person that, oh, come with us and something like that, if you are not suitable for this person who already analyzed your website, that you work for this sphere, for this company, and something like that, that you have such hobbies, you have such approach to life, so they can read some posts, and if they don't answer you, then these people don't suit you. But if they answer, it is a very big probability that they would like to communicate with you in the future, because they will understand you better, and if they already agreed to do something, to go to an event, it means that that they are interested in you, and it is not awful thing to continue communicating with them. Of course, there are some situations when a person cannot want to communicate with you after. Maybe he or she is only interested in the event that you told him about. But if we talk about building like business club or private club itself, it can ease your life, ease your way of finding new people, and give them opportunity to be with you more often and to communicate with you. So I highly recommend you to build a lucrative personal brand, like a reputation on the internet. It has a lot of benefits, and I tell a lot of information in my community for professionals when I help experts, stockbrokers, art dealers, real estate managers to work in more effective way.